Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to block a buyer in eBay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to block a buyer in eBay, first what you need to understand is blocking a buyer prevents them from buying your items, bidding on your auctions, or contacting you. Now, next step is to sign into your account by simply heading over, opening up your application, and entering your username or email and then your password, and then simply tap on sign in with your seller account. Then, once you are done with signing in, what you need to do is simply tap on my eBay icon on the bottom of your screen, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down until you find the account option, and under account you'll find an option that says personal information. Then simply select it, and once you're inside your personal information, look for blocked bidder or buyer list. Then simply select it or click edit or manage. And now next step is to add buyer to the block list by simply entering the buyer's username. Now once you enter the buyer's eBay username, simply click on submit or and then once that's done, the selected buyer is now blocked and they cannot bid, buy or contact you on your eBay. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.